Okay, sorry about the lighting, guys, but this is, I didn't really show you guys me painting them. Unfortunately, I had no masking tape, so eventually I'll just have to find some kind of cleaner that'll get it off the tire, or, you know, when I get new tires, oh well. So that's the blue color. I never really showed you guys it. It was only half a can, so luckily I was able to finish these wheels with only half a can left, because, I mean, they didn't turn out the best. You can see there's a spot right there. It didn't get painted. But a lot of this people won't even notice, so. The color of the frame is going to be hopefully some kind of gray, but if besides gray, if I can't find gunmetal, that's what I'm going to do is gray. But I'm hoping I can find gunmetal. That's what I'd like to do. This is the frame right here. I need to clean the frame up. My dad needs to help me fix this chain. The chain's brand new, and when I took that rear wheel off, this piece popped off, and the master link got all messed up. He's the only one that really knows how to work the master link. So, yeah. See, it's all like knotted up. If I take that knot out, it won't fit right. So, yeah, hopefully. So he said he was going to help me with that tomorrow maybe. Since he's getting here like really late tonight, you know, because he works for a long time. But yeah, the pedals were going to be blue, that blue color, but I think I'm just going to do those gunmetal as well. Because, I don't know, just, I ran out of blue, that's why. I also have this purple color. Originally it was going to be purple and gunmetal, but I chose to do the blue and gunmetal. I was also going to paint the stem, or the headset, whatever it's called, and I decided not to paint it because not only did I run out of paint, but it's like a pretty brass color that I like, so. See, I even tested out that paint on this wheel, this bike wheel, before I did it on that one. This is just one of my old bikes that the crank is shot on. This crank is done for. This is the original DK seat. At some point I might restore this DK seat, whatever doohickey it's called, but I will not be able to salvage the seat. I mean, yeah, it's really bad. So, yeah, I have a Genesis seat on it right now from this frame, so I put the DK seat on this. This bike has a couple of parts I might take off of it, but for now, I might actually fix it at one point, so. But yeah, the steering is all effed up on this thing. Parts falling off. I'm not surprised the parts are falling off. Yeah, it's like actually kind of hard. Just, oh, it's because of that. Like this. I don't know. Jesus. Ooh, that hurt. Other two bikes are over here. I guess I can show you these two, since they're not the two important projects, but here's my BMX. This is my Hyper, which the Genesis stem is also on this, because the Hyper stem that was on this, the bolt's stripped out, so. Yeah, this thing has a couple of problems. I fixed a lot of them, but it's got a couple more to go. It's kind of my beater bike. You can see it's definitely a beater bike. This is my non-beater bike. These are the two that get ridden the most. And then the DK, I only take it to the skate park, obviously. Since I'm having them dry outside, and this paint dries really fast, yeah, like this wheel's already dry. But yeah, pretty excited. The original tires, by the way. Just the original DK tires. The front, neither of those wheels are original. I really don't know what the front one is. I do know the back one is. That's why I painted them. I used a broken stool thing and flipped it over that had no legs. Well, it did. After I was done, I broke the legs off and tossed it in there. Yeah, I did that just to protect the ground as much as I could. It's very hot out today. Okay, so I'm working on just wiping up the bike with paper towels yet again. And now that I have all the wheels off and stuff, I'm starting to realize what I'm gonna run for. Before I paint this thing, I'm not gonna paint over all of this terrible rust. So yeah, that's I get to look forward to that, I guess. You can see, actually, when I first got it, I didn't really notice a lot of this because, you know, this is on the lower piece and the wheel was there, so, you know, I don't know. So, a lot of it hasn't rusted yet, so it looks like some of the gouges haven't rusted yet. I'll be right back.